Our correspondent Kamaljeet Sandhu now joining us. Kamal, the AAP releasing its first list of the Lok Sabha candidates. It is going to be interesting to see the BJP, to see the Congress reaction and of course the SP reaction to the candidates that have been fielded against them. Subhash Ware against Suresh Kalmadi, Ashutosh and Kapil Sibal, HS Fulka, Manish Tiwari and of course Kumar Vishwas against Rahul Gandhi from Amethi.
Well, some of the names do not come as a surprise, but obviously our party had prepared a long list and that is why there was a lot of discussion. Some of the names were already speculated. They were actually told by our sources that some of the names like Mayank Gandhi, Medha Patakar, we know Kumar Vishwas who would be challenging Rahul Gandhi. So in that sense, a lot of names were coming to the front. But now we are very clear about some of the competition between some of the senior ministers, including Kapil Sibal, Manish Tiwari, Salman Khurshid, all of them being challenged by AAP candidates. This is going to be a very interesting elections. The first 20 candidates also seem a very interesting mix of names like HS Fulka, Janrail Singh. Remember, he's the man who had actually shown, he had actually thrown a shoe at Mr. Chidambaram. He was a journalist earlier. So in that sense, it is a heady mix of people, mostly social activists, some of them journalists, other people from various backgrounds from the NGOs like Medha Patkar herself. So in that sense, they've come out with 20 names. Strong candidates, we would say, for the first 20 list itself. But again, it's going to be a very heady mix. The AAP party is carefully looking at all the constituencies and plans to take on head-on the challenge of Congress party in the first go. We'll really have to see. Remember, these candidates are against union ministers who are actually Congress ministers. But for BJP, we know that against Nitin Gadkari, it's Anjali Damania. In that sense, a lot is really happening. But we know that even after the press conference was almost over, Sanjay Singh and Manish Sisodia clearly taking on Narendra Modi, saying a man who has actually made a lot of promises has not come true. He's hit on 4 of the ministers of Narendra Modi government. So yes, it's been a very interesting press conference as such. 20 names coming out for the first list, which is Lok Sabha election members. It's going to be a tough fight for both BJP and Congress.
Absolutely, but while the list of AAP's candidates are out, the suspense on Arvind Kejriwal continues, Kamaljeet.
Well, definitely Arvind Kejriwal's name, we were not even expecting it. We've been told by our sources clearly that he wants to keep people guessing as to where and whom he'll really confront. Many people said maybe Narendra Modi should be the choice, as Kumar Vishwas is taking on Rahul Gandhi in Amethi. But yes, at this point of time, even Arvind Kejriwal, while he's speaking to Headlines today and Aaj Tak, clearly did not say that he has made up his mind about contesting in Lok Sabha. Our party is very clear. They would be fighting under the leadership of Arvind Kejriwal. He is the anti-corruption crusader. He is the person who is heading the party. So yes, if there could be an announcement, it would be one of the last. They do not want to give out their cards. They're keeping some of the cards very close to the chest. That including of Arvind Kejriwal.
Absolutely, but Kamal, you know, the Aam Aadmi Party has been is the first party to actually release its list, the first list of the Lok Sabha candidates. So, what is going to be the other party's strategies to sort of combat this, and how are they going to react to this?
Well, most political parties, we know this is 2014 general elections. Even while the parliament session is on, most of the MPs, ministers, even for a weekend, do not want to spend time in Delhi. They want to rush back to their constituencies. They have little time in hand. So yes, this is a make or break elections for all existing MPs and those who are going to be fighting for the first time. But yes, it's the AAP challenge this time. This is the third party which is emerging as a big challenge. So both BJP and Congress in that sense are wary of this new entity which has come into being. They've seen a sparkling performance happening in Delhi. Remember, they were not the single largest party, but it was a sparkling performance by a new party. So in that sense, they know that this party could actually have a challenge ahead for them in their respective constituencies. Remember, the candidates they have fielded against, Kapil Sibal is a known journalist, against Manish Tiwari is a known lawyer. In that sense, Anjali Damania is a known activist. In that sense, they're coming out with people who are known to have groundwork. Remember, these people have a lot of a lot of following in their own constituencies. But yes, it's going to be a different take. Both BJP and Congress would be very wary, but obviously on the face of it, we do expect them to say that okay, we will take on that challenge. It's not a big deal. But definitely all eyes on this new entity and new leaders who would be the face of the AAP party in the Lok Sabha elections. It's going to be a very interesting fight in all these constituencies.
Right, Kamaljeet Sandhu, stay with us. We'll just slip into a short break right now, but we'll bring you more on the story.